Welcome back to my channel, This Fairy Tale Life. Today I'm packing for Disney, but not just a regular Disney trip, a holiday Disney trip. Super excited about this. I'm just popping on here real quick. I'm going to just kind of go over a couple things. I'm not going to take a ton of your time, so please stick with me. First off, I wanted to point out that I am wearing the cutest Christmas nails, and they've already fallen off, and I've had them on for like 10 minutes. So this is a Disney fail. I was going to wear these to the parks. I was going to wear these. They ended up being really daggery, which I'm not into, but they have like a Santa and a snowflake and like a bow, and they're so cute. Anyways, they've already fallen off, so it's time to paint my nails red for Disney. So let's get into it. I can't believe I'm even saying this, but I'm actually not going to use a Loungefly this trip. It's so sad. But the last trip we went in the summer, we always go in the summer, and I was just like digging in my purse all the time and like scratching my hand on the zippers, and it just was like impossible to get the things that I needed organized in my Loungefly. Maybe I take too much stuff to the parks, possibly. I am a mother of a tween, and I usually carry things for my husband too, and I have a lot of like vlogging stuff that I have in my park bag, so I think that's why it was just getting like way too messy. So I ordered on Amazon. I'm going to be linking like all this stuff, by the way. The cutest just like floral corduroy little cream backpack, and it's kind of like a school size backpack, and I'm already in love with it. Just I know I'm going to be able to fit all the things in here and not be like freaking out. And then I have like, I'll pack things in individual little pouches so that I can easily grab them within this larger, sack. But and then I figured when we get there, I could get like a cute little keychain or something that's Disney to Disneyfy this, or maybe we could put a patch on here eventually. But so I'm super excited about this. It's also soft. I have like a thing about having rough textures, sequins. There's a lot of Disney products that are like Disney purses and wallets that have sequins, and it's hard for a Disney day. Like, you need to be comfortable, you need to be prepared, right? So because the temperature for us, we're going November, in like late November, before the major holiday rush. We are now on Thanksgiving break, which means that the crowds are going to be amplified. It's going to be crazy. We expect that, and we're changing our plan accordingly. But at the same token, we're kind of the weekend before the big Thanksgiving hit. So kind of fingers crossed that we're actually going to get like decent crowds. I know it's going to be crazy, but like, can we get on some of our favorite rides? That's the key. It's going to be like 70 degrees in the day and like 56 high for the nighttime. Or it was like 50 to 56 low for the nighttime. So that being said, I'm bringing one of my huge packing cubes. It's going to look like I have a carry-on going to Disney, but we'll be utilizing their lockers. Preferably and hopefully it'll happen when we're like doing rope drop and there's that half an hour window where you're like in Main Street, where you're like on Main Street and then not allowed to go into the lands quite yet. So in that half an hour period, I'm hoping we can get the locker set up and then get over. We're going to do Space Mountain as our first ride, so then get over to Space Mountain and be ready by the rope, right, where they're going to drop it. In the packing cube, I'm bringing 2 sets of ears. Another reason to have a locker, because I don't want to smush my little ears, even in this backpack, a nice size. My 70th celebration ears, I got them this summer, and I thought they kind of look Christmassy, a little bit with this bronzy thing and the gold accents and the creams. So I'm going to be wearing these into the park, but then I might get tempted to get the wreath ears or some kind of Christmas ear, just because this is our first holiday trip. My daughter's wearing Space Mountain because that's her favorite, and we're going to try and ride Space Mountain. We're going to try and ride Space Mountain a couple times in the morning because we want to hit the favorites early. So those are going in their own little packing cube, and I'm just going to put those, we're going to wear these until we purchase something, and then I'll put them back in the locker later in the day after we get our like holiday ears. But I cannot stand going into Disney when there's all those like photo ops, you know, by the train station and all the things in the front of Disney. I don't want to not have my mini ears on at that point in time. Okay, think about these things. I ordered literally, and I'm linking this, the cutest little Sherpa, and it's a Peter Pan collar, which Disney Peter Pan collars go hand in hand with like this tortoiseshell button and this gingham, Christmassy gingham lining, like trim. I'm obsessed. So this is my nighttime cover because we do need to be prepared. We do need to be prepared for that chill in the evening, especially when we're watching fireworks and parades and all the things, and we want to ride some more rides at night. I don't want to run us out of there because we're freezing. So just preparing for the worst. I don't know how we're going to feel. That's why we'll have the locker. But I got these darling Christmas plaid scarves, which I thought, it's like this, imagine wreath ears, this Christmas decor, Disney Mickey Christmas decor in the background. It's going to look so good in the pictures. For my daughter and one for me. With the Sherpa. Okay. We're doing it. And then just to be totally crazy, I got these like fleece line thermals that are super cute, petal pink. So we have these to put on because I'm just wearing like a t-shirt during the day. But we're going to wear jeans. And then I got the cutest Christmas gloves for both of us. So we have a little matching set. So these are going to be really nice. And then just to be totally crazy, I got hand warmers just to be absolutely prepared. You just pop this, put it in your gloves, good to go. That could really save us. And then we're going to wear some warm socks. Switch into these green cozy socks. Just to have that extra warmth. And purchase a Disney sweatshirt probably for my daughter, and then that'll take care of it. I'm hoping that's going to be enough. I really don't want to limit our time at the parks because we're too cold. This is my first time going to Disney with my daughter without my husband, which is super sad, but he doesn't have the time off. He's kind of like needs a little break from Disney. I get it. So I got one of these AirTags for my daughter. She doesn't have a phone number. She has a phone, but no phone number. And so I thought, you know what? Let's just do this just for sanity, mental sanity, even though she's old enough to like call me from someone else's phone or find me, whatever. I just kind of wanted one of these. So I'm going to pop this on her jeans. She's all about her collapsible water bottle. I'm like on the fence with those because my other one broke and this one is holding up really good. So I'm just going to use a water bottle I can throw in the trash later. It's terrible, I know. I love to have the lanyards. We have lanyards. So when you're doing content, it's just super easy. You just drop the phone down, back up, and video rides. We're also bringing our magic bands, which for 70th celebration, they had really cute printouts and stuff with these and light up areas. I'm imagining they'll have some things for Christmas to do with this, so I will show you if they do. So that's kind of like the gist of like what I'm packing. And then obviously I always bring like some Band-Aids and an Advil and like random toiletry products and a bunch of makeup. And all of that is going to be in my park backpack. And this is also going to be like my purse. There's a lot of pockets inside. So like, oh, almost like a diaper bag. Like, oh, there's a whole separate section. There's this big pocket. There's compartments. I'm going to link this back up because I love it. There's compartments on this side. And then there's this whole like big pocket in the front. That's going to rock. My park shirt. Let me show you my cute park shirt. So this is my cute park shirt. It's a Disney gingerbread cookie princess tee that I got on Amazon, and the print like came out really good quality. I thought they were going to be like faded, but they came out so adorable. So we got like Tiana and Snow White, Cindy, Belle, Rapunzel, and Ariel, and then the gingerbread castle, which is to die for, and in pink. This came in a bunch of colors. I'm going to link it. So this with the cute little Christmas Sherpa and jeans and my really comfortable shoes that I love to wear to Disney, and we're in business. That's all I've got for you, really. I'm not going to make like a really lengthy video about this, but I thought it would be kind of fun to just to point out, if you are a vlogger, you don't have to be just a Disney vlogger, but if you're a vlogger, these little mics are absolutely amazing, and this thing was like $20. Like, it was pretty amazing. So if you want to do content, you do need to do a bunch of experiments. I've had it like not turned on, not plugged in right, moving around too much, making weird noise. So you need to know how to use it before you just start vlogging with it. Let me tell you, because I just captured this and it was silent 2 seconds ago. But I love it. And if you're in the parks, it just really helps so that you can hear your dialogue as you're going, and it kind of helps like break up the background noise. So check it out. I'm going to link that too. It's like one of my favorite things that I have for vlogging. I'm also staying at a Good Neighbor Hotel to Disney that I haven't reported back about. I've actually never been there before. It's called Hotel Lulu, and I'm super, super duper excited about this one, mainly because they have these like really cute striped yellow and white umbrellas at their pool. The pool looks really cute. It's kind of like a darling little like surfer California boho place. Supposedly it's a 7-minute walk to Disney. It's on Harbor Boulevard. Checking this out. Can't even wait to report back. So I'll be doing a lot of content on it because I love to find hotels that feel like a home away from home. So when you're visiting Disney and you want it to be easy and affordable, but also really cute and nice and have like a great vacay, then I want to be able to report back about it. So I will be updating you with content on that. So stay tuned for that. Super excited to try this out. That's it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this inspired you a little bit for your trip, and I'll link all the things in my, well, now I'm doing Mavely, but I'll also link it in my Amazon store. If you have any questions, comment below. Hopefully this helps you kind of prepare and get excited to go to Disney with a few practical tips. Get excited because we are going to do Disney Vlogmas when we get there and show you all the things Disney holiday and do some fun YouTube shorts and reels and whatnot. So it's going to just be great and highlight some of the treats. Getting a gingerbread Mickey, absolutely first and foremost. We'll see you next time. Thanks for being here. Comment below what you want to see next.